Hello viewer, it's a shape here. I will take the designs and paint about it. So there we are. Again make another shape. So let's keep on editing. Generate the new designs here to add a paint. Here we will take it an attraction. Keep using the new designs. So there we have to use it.